In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Microsoft Forms to Taskbar. First, you need to open Microsoft Forms and sign in. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft Forms website in your preferred web browser. As you enter your credentials, ensure that you are using the correct account associated with Microsoft Forms. This step is important because it allows you to access all your forms and templates. Once signed in, you will see your dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This gives you a good starting point for the next steps. Next, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. This menu is often referred to as the More Options menu and is represented by three vertical dots. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu filled with various options that you can choose from. This is a common place to find additional settings and features in many applications. It's important to familiarize yourself with this menu as it can simplify your navigation within Microsoft Forms. From there, click on Apps and then select Install this site as an app. This option allows you to create a standalone application for Microsoft Forms on your computer. It gives you quick access without needing to open a browser each time. When you click this option, your browser may prompt you to confirm this action. This step is significant because it enhances your productivity by making Microsoft Forms more accessible. If prompted, enter a name for the app such as Microsoft Forms. This is how the app will be labeled on your device. Choosing a clear and recognizable name helps you easily identify the app later. After entering the name, confirm your choice to proceed. This small action helps keep your applications organized, especially if you use multiple apps frequently. Now click Install. This action initiates the installation process for Microsoft Forms as a dedicated app on your device. You may see a progress bar or a confirmation message indicating that the installation is underway. Once the installation is complete, the app will open automatically. This is an important step because it solidifies the installation and ensures that you can start using Microsoft Forms as a standalone application. Once the app opens, right-click its icon on the Windows taskbar. The taskbar is located at the bottom of your screen and it serves as a convenient place for quick access to your most used applications. Right-clicking the icon brings up a context menu with several options. This action is crucial because it allows you to customize how you use the app from your taskbar. Finally, click Pin to Taskbar. This option will keep Microsoft Forms on your taskbar, allowing you to launch it quickly in the future. When you pin an application, it stays there even after you close it. This little step saves you a lot of time later as you won't have to navigate through your programs to find it. You will see the icon remain on your taskbar, confirming that it is now pinned successfully. That's it. You have now pinned Microsoft Forms to your taskbar. This will streamline your workflow and make accessing your forms much easier. Enjoy using Microsoft Forms as a dedicated app and feel free to revisit these steps if needed. Thank you for watching.